In the world of English grammar, the simple present tense is a powerful tool that helps us express actions that happen regularly or facts that are true in the present. Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of using the simple present with time expressions. Let's start with always. When we say always, we mean 100% of the time. For example, I always wake up at 7 a.m., or she always eats breakfast before school. It's like a constant in our lives, a reliable routine that never falters. Moving on to usually, which signifies most of the time. I usually go to the gym on weekends, or they usually have dinner at 6 p.m. It's a bit more flexible than always, allowing for some variation in our daily habits. Now, let's talk about often. This word implies doing something frequently, though not necessarily all the time. I often listen to music while studying, or she often travels for work. It adds a sense of regularity without the rigidity of always. And then there's sometimes, indicating occasional actions that happen but not on a regular basis. I sometimes take a nap in the afternoon, or they sometimes go to the movies on Friday nights. It's like a pleasant surprise in our routine, breaking the monotony with a sprinkle of spontaneity. To wrap it up, remember these time expressions as your trusty companions in mastering the simple present tense. Practice using them in your daily conversations to enhance your English skills and make your sentences more dynamic and engaging. Keep at it, and soon enough, you'll be a pro at weaving time expressions into your speech effortlessly. So, there you have it, a whirlwind tour of using the simple present with time expressions. Now, go forth and conquer the world of English grammar with confidence and flair.